tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. The first thing you have to do is to make sure...
Special unit office? Agent Smith is on vacation. I will be his substitute for 1 week. Oh, hi, it's you. Hi, Mike. How are you? No. How was that? Shit, that's terrible. Are you in front of it right now? Well, first of all, be calm. Don't get nervous. How many time do we have? Well, that's not much time. We have to be quick. What kind of detonator is it? Well, it's good news then. The AMSAT is one of the easiest. I have activated plenty of them. Yeah, just open the metallic cover. Okay, now you will see 3 cables. The only thing you have to do is to cut the red one. What? No. There is only 1 red cable. 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 orange. That's how it comes. No way. 3 red cables? Oh man. Let me check out this for you, okay? 1 second. The AMSAT handbook says the same. There is only 1 red cable. Are you colorblind, Mike? Hey man, there is no need to shout, okay? I'm just trying to help you. Well, if your detonator has 3 red cables, it's not my fault. You were the one who called me. And if you believe that Agent Smith would do it any better, then you go and call him. Oh, so you already called him? Of course he didn't answer. He's on vacation. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. The only thing I can tell you is to cut the red cable. I know there are 3 red cables. Fuck you, Mike. This is my first day in the office. I have a pile of work to do. Just cut 1 fucking red cable and see what happens. I don't know. Any of them. For God's sake, Mike. Please, cut the fucking red cable. You're such a coward, you know? Cut the fucking cable!